Namaste friends. Today we are discussing preparation of bank reconciliation statement when overdraft balance is given. You know very well in the previous video lessons also I shown you with cash book and passbook what is OD balance, what is favorable balance. If you recapitulate one time, cash book debit balance means favorable balance, cash book credit balance means unfavorable balance or overdraft balance. Opposite to this, passbook debit balance means overdraft balance, passbook credit balance means favorable balance. And how to prepare bank reconciliation statement when overdraft balance is given? You know very well when favorable balance is given, we worked out almost all 9 problems in the last bank four BRS video lessons. In that four BRS lessons, we had done 9 problems with the reference to favorable balance. When favorable balance is given, the first step is which book balance is given. That is the first step, you know very well. Second one, for that balance given book, whether balance increased or decreased. In the third step, balance is increased, we have to less in the, and if balance is decreased, we have to add. So only thing is if favorable balance is given, that book balance is given with the point, if it is increased, we have to less, if it is decreased, we have to add. When overdraft balance is given, only thing is simple. When overdraft balance is given also, if the book balance which is given is increased, we have to add. This is the only point. If the given book balance is increased, we have to add. If given book balance is decreased, we have to less. This is the only point with the reference to overdraft balance. So with the overdraft balance also, I worked out some almost all 6 problems. Total 9 problems in previous favorable balance lesson and 6 problems in this. By this, what happens? It is very easy for you to understand bank reconciliation statement. So I will share screen. So you know very well, this is the 4th video lesson of bank reconciliation statement. We have some almost all 3 problems with reference to overdraft balance. I worked out and I will explain the same. Before that, I am Nayani Shyam, the Faculty of Commerce in Tara Government Degree and PG College, Sangareddy. So by the end of this lesson, you know how to prepare BRS when unfavorable balance is given or OD balance is given. We have some 3 solved problems so that everybody can understand how to do. So the procedure to prepare BRS, everybody know. I have taken 3 points. The first one, identify which balance is given, cash book or passbook. And cash book OD balance or favorable balance, passbook OD balance or favorable balance. Second step, see whether the given book balance increases or decreases with the given point. With the given point, the book balance increases or decreases, you have to say. If favorable balance is given, if increases, you have to less. If decreases, you have to add the amount which is given. If overdraft balance is given, if OD balance is given, if increases, we have to add. If decreases, we have to less. This is the very simple way of doing BRS. First point, which book balance is given. Second point, for the given point of difference. Second point, for the given point of difference, whether that book balance increased or decreased. Third point, if favorable balance is given, if increases, less, if decreases, add. If overdraft balance is given, if increases, add, if decreases, less. This is the simple way of doing. So you have to identify the cash book, or first point, identify the cash book balance is given or passbook balance is given. Second point, which book balance is given. The point of differences, 5 or 6 may be given in the problem. For every point of difference, whether the book balance increases or decreases, you have to recognize. The third point, if favorable balance is given, if increases, you have to less, if decreases, you have to add. If overdraft balance is given, if OD balance is given, if increases, add, if decreases, less. This is the point. And you have to understand which is favorable balance, which is OD balance. When cash book debit balance is given, cash book debit balance is given favorable balance. When favorable balance is given, increases, less, decreases, add. When cash book credit balance is given, Cash book credit balance, that's OD balance. Cash book credit balance, that is OD balance. If increases, add. If decreases, less, and vice versa here. If passbook debit balance is given, that means OD balance. Passbook debit balance means OD balance. Passbook credit balance means favorable balance. Passbook credit balance means favorable balance. If passbook debit balance is given, because it is OD balance, if increases, add. If decreases, less. If passbook credit balance is given, is favorable balance. If increases, less, and decreases, add. This is the point. For every point, once again, I will explain. Checks issued but not presented for payment. When check issued, cash book is created. Cash book goes down because it is payment side. Cash book decreases, passbook increases. Check issued but not presented for payment. Cash book decreases, passbook increases. Second point, checks deposited but not collected by the bank. When check deposited, when we receive check, we debit cash book. When we debit cash book increases. They are not collected by the bank, so passbook decreases. Checks deposited but not collected, cash book increases, passbook decreases. Bank charges debited only in passbook. When bank charges debited only in passbook, because withdrawal side, this is a payment side in passbook. When bank charges debited, passbook decreases. Obviously, cash book increases. Bank charges debited only in passbook, passbook decreases, cash book increases. Interest on next interest on overdraft debited only in passbook. Even whatever the debit in passbook balance decreases, cash book balance increases because it is not written. So interest on overdraft debited only in passbook, passbook balance decreases, cash book balance increases. Interest on deposits credited only in passbook. Whatever the credit side of cash passbook means, this is credit side of passbook means this is receipt side. So we create cash book increases, because not written. It is credit side, passbook increases, and not written cash book decreases. Interest on overdraft debited only. Interest on deposits credited only in passbook. Passbook increases, cash book decreases. Direct payment on behalf of by the customer by bank. So customer directly paid for insurance premium paid. When bank pays insurance premium on behalf of customer, what happens? They debit the passbook balance decreases, not recorded in cash book balance increases. Direct collection on behalf of customer. Whenever bank collects, credited the passbook increases, not written in cash book decreases. So next, direct collection. Next, dishonor of checks and bills. Whenever checks and bills dishonor, passbook debits, passbook decreases, not recorded in cash book increases. This is the point I'm discussing about. So, but understand here the basic point is cash book debit balance, favorable balance, cash book credit balance, OD balance. Passbook debit balance, OD balance, passbook credit balance. So you how do you know whether favorable balance given or OD balance given? Simply, if cash book debit balance, cash book credit balance means cash book credit balance means OD balance. Passbook debit balance means OD balance. This you have to understand. We work out one problem. Prepare bank reconciliation statement from the following as on 31st March 2008. Balance as per passbook, balance as per passbook, balance as per cash book. The balance as per cash book, balance as per cash book credit balance. You know very well, cash book credit balance means OD balance. Cash book credit balance means OD balance. Checks deposited into bank but not collected by the bank, 600. Checks deposited but not collected by the bank, 600. This is first point. Bank charges and commission debited only in passbook. This is second point, 300. Checks issued but not presented for payment, 1000. Interest on deposits credited only in passbook. These are the 4 points given. 4 points given. As the cash book credit balance is given, the first point you have to remember. The first point is you understand, you recognize that cash book OD balance is given. Second point you have to see, for every point, these 4 points of difference, for every point, cash book increases or decreases. If cash book increases, add. If cash book decreases, less. This is the point, because OD balance is given. Cash book increases, add. Cash book decreases, less. First point. Checks deposited into bank but not collected by the banker, 600. Checks deposited, we are going to debit cash book. Cash book increases. Cash book increases. The fundamental point. Cash book, checks deposited, cash book increases. Where to add? Where to add? Checks deposited but not collected. Add 600. Add 600. Second point. Bank charges and commission debited only in passbook, 300. Bank charges, commission debited in only. So whatever the debit in passbook, passbook decreases. Passbook decreases. Not entered in cash book. Cash book increases. Given is cash book. When cash book increases, because it is OD balance, we have to add. Debits only in passbook, 300, we have to add. Third point. Checks issued but not presented for payment. When check issued, we credit the cash book. When check issued, we credit the cash book. When we credit cash book decreases. Given also cash book. As cash book decreases, we have to less. Check issued but not present for payment. Cash book decreases and OD balance, we have to less. Last point. Interest on deposits created only in passbook. Whatever created in passbook, passbook increases. Passbook increases. Not recorded in cash book. Cash book decreases. Given is cash book OD balance, because it is decreased, we have to less. So it is less. So 600, 300, we have to add 900, 2300 and 3200. 1500, we have to less. 3200 minus 1500, 1700. Because balance as per cash book OD given, the answer is balance as per passbook OD. Passbook debit balance, passbook OD balance 1700 is the answer. So what is the new point in OD balance? BRS, simply in OD balance, if the book balance increases, add. If the book balance decreases, less. This is the simple point. Okay, next we go to 11th problem. I will read out 11th problem. Prepare BRS of RAM from the following. Overdraft balance as per passbook. So directly they said overdraft balance as per passbook. This means when overdraft balance is given, passbook increases, add. Passbook decreases, less. Checks issued but not presented for payment, 3000. Checks deposited but not collected, 2000. Debit only in passbook, 100. Credit only in passbook. This is the basic points everybody should understand. So we will work out one by one. Because first you take overdraft balance as per passbook, 10,000. First points. Checks issued but not presented for payment. When check issued, cash book is created. When check issued, cash book is created. Cash book decreases, passbook increases. Given is passbook OD, increased, we have to add. Checks issued but not present for payment, 3000. Checks issued but not present for payment. Passbook increases, we have to add. We have to add 3000. We have to add 3000. Second point. Checks deposited but not collected. When check is deposited, cash book is debited. Check is deposited, cash book is debited. Cash book increases. So not collected, passbook decreases. Because passbook decreased, by to less. Checks issued but not present. You see here, checks deposited but not present. Checks deposited but not collected. Passbook decreases, by to less. By to less. Debit only in passbook. Whatever the debit in passbook, passbook decreases, by to less, 1000. Debit only in passbook, by to less. Debit only in passbook, decreases, less. Credit only in passbook. Whatever the credit in passbook increases, we have to add. Credit only in passbook, we have to add. So credit only in passbook, credit only in passbook increases, we have to add. So simple thing is, as passbook OD balance is given, passbook OD balance is given, passbook increases, add. Passbook decreases, less. So 10,000, 3,200, 13,200 minus 2,100. So 11,100 is the balance as per cash book OD balance. Given is balance as per passbook. Answer is balance as per cash book. This is what, this is what. This is second problem. This is third problem. This is third part. 13, 14, 15. This is also basic I have taken to, because everybody should understand. So balance as per cash book, what I've directly said, balance as per cash book OD given. That means cash book increases, add, cash book decreases, less. Checks issued but not presented, 3,000. Checks deposited but not collected, 2,000. Debit only in passbook, 100. Credit only in passbook, 200. This is balance as per passbook. This is balance as per cash book. The same problem was reversed here to everybody should understand this point. So balance as per cash book OD 11,100. Balance as per cash book OD 11,100. Checks issued but not presented for payment. When check issued, cash book credited, cash book decreases. Given also cash book. As cash book decreases, we have to less 3,000. Checks deposited but not collected. Checks deposited but not collected, 2,000. When checks deposited, cash book credited, cash book increases. Given also cash book increases. OD balance, add. Checks deposited but not collected, 2,000, add. Debit only in passbook. Whatever they debit in passbook, passbook decreases. Cash book increases because cash book OD given. Increase, add. Increase, add. Create only in passbook. Whatever they create in passbook, passbook increases. Cash book decreases. Cash book decreases. Given also cash book. OD balance decreased, right or less, right or less. So 2,100, right or less. 11,100 minus 2,100, 30,400. 11,100 plus 2,100. If you add this, if you add this 13,200 minus 3,200. So 10,000 is the answer. 10,000 is the answer. When you take cash book OD balance, answer is passbook OD balance. If you take passbook OD balance, answer is cash book OD balance. That is the reverse side. Once again, you see, checks deposited but not collected. Checks deposited but not collected. Cash book increases. And debit only in passbook. Debit only in passbook. Cash book increases. Ahead is to our end. Checks issued but not presented for payment. Cash book decreases, less. Credit only in passbook. Credit only in passbook. So passbook, credit only in passbook. Cash book decreases, less. So this is about 12th problem. These three problems are taken very easy problems. And 13, 14, 15 in the next video lesson, I've taken very good problems, some critical problems, so that we can understand. Okay, if you are still confusing, you go through this video lesson 1 or 2 times. Now that it is very easy for you to understand the bank reconciliation statement when overdraft balance is given. That's all for today. Okay. So I think I explained VRS in very easy way. I have taken only 8 points. For every point, I neatly explained why cash book balance increases, why cash book balance decreases, why cash book balance, why passbook balance increases, why passbook balance decreases. If you see that one, that is very easy for you. Okay, that's all we are stopping for today.